Welcome to video number 249 of Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. As you know, you might have watched a variety of videos on this channel so far. They're grammars, conversations, simple dialogues, some movie songs and lyrics. So 249 videos, and quite many of you have really learned amazingly well, and you have also sharpened your language. But I feel that it's time we also move on to videos where you listen to other voices. And this helps you to understand different tones, a variety of dialects. And what can be better than watching and learning from our Vadivelu? So here Vadivelu is having a conversation with his staff, at least from what it seems. So after this video, you can listen and watch the whole video with the link that you see on top right here. And in the description also you'll find the script, and both in English and Tamil. So let's start. Nethu enda vAelaikkU varale? That is what Vadivelu is asking. Why didn't you come to work yesterday? Nethu enda vAelaikkU varale? To which the staff says, enga akkaa poNNukkU mottE adichu kaadhulE. To my niece, akkaa poNNukkU mottE adichu tonsured, the head, kuThunaagE, that is the ear boring. As you know, it's a ceremony in some of the parts in India. Adhaan varale. That is why I didn't come. So kuThunaagE becomes kuThunaagE in this dialect. Ae.n, instead of adhaa, it becomes Ae.n varale. Vadivelu is asking, engE kuThunaagE? Where did they prick? And to which the guy says, kaadhulE, of course in the ear. So Vadivelu is actually asking, where did this happen? So endhE edaThulE kuThunaagE, in which place did they prick? To which the guy says, kaadhulE kuThunaagE, of course in the ear did they prick. Now Vadivelu is getting irritated and he's asking, naa.n puriyudhaa? Do you understand what I ask? To which the guy says, puriyudhule? Of course I understand. So let's hear from them.
அக்கா பொண்ணுக்கு மொட்டை அடிச்சு காது குத்துனாங்க, அதான் வரல.
எங்க குத்துனாங்க?
காதலனே.
எந்த இடத்துலடா குத்துனாங்க?
காதல தான் குத்துனாங்கண்ணே.
நான் கேக்குறது உனக்கு புரியுதா இல்லையா?
புரியுதுல்ல.
So we'll see the rest of the conversation now. Very small but interesting. எந்த இடத்துல குத்துனாங்க? Where did they prick? To which the guy says, kaadhula dhaan kuThunaagane. Of course they pricked in the ear. vAenaa, if you want, aasaariyE. The carpenter is the meaning for asari, but it is also used in this context. Oru mora kootu varen. I'll bring him once. Kettu paakkureegalaa? Do you want to inquire with him? Now Vadivelu is asking, is more irritated. He's saying, sari andha matter vidra. Okay, leave that matter. So vAelaikkU becomes vidra as you speak fast. And the pillaikku, for that girl. Pillai is a child, but we also use for girl. Endha edathula mottE adichaga? Where did they do the tonsure? To which the guy says, talaila dhaan, of course in the head.
எந்த இடத்துல குத்துனாங்க?
காதல தான் குத்துனாங்கண்ணே. இப்ப என்ன குத்துன ஆசாரி ஒரு முறை கூட்டு வரேன் கேட்டு பாக்குறீங்களா?
சரி, அந்த மேட்டர் வர்றான். அந்த பிள்ளைக்கு எந்த இடத்துல மொட்டை அடிச்சாங்க?
தலையிலண்ணே.
So this might seem like a small conversation, but we can learn many different small nuances. And to learn further, you can join the Telegram group, Learn and Speak Tamil @gmail. If you send a mail there, I'll respond and give you the link to the Telegram group. And also I have a question for you. If you want to specifically ask, where did this ceremony happen? How can you ask better than this, but in a short way? But of course, if the person wants to evade, he can go on do it, but there can be a better way to ask it also. Just find it and write that in the description. I'll come back to you. All the best with your Tamil learning. Bye-bye.